Here we are. Universal Studios Orlando. Eagerly awaiting the opening.
I know, I got my second jersey. I know.
Welcome back to Halloween Horror Nights. Well, and he got me. That was a good one. I actually got a fright there. That was good.
That was very good holding the cushion. I saw it. I'm not feeling that.
There is the main icon of this year's Halloween Horror Nights, the Pumpkin Lord. Here we go, being escorted towards our first house.
Try to stay a little close.
Yep. I want his job. The guy on the stilts, that's my job. House was Hell Block Horror. Enter a prison whose savage inmates are monstrous creatures. If they break free from themselves, if they break free from their cells, it's a death sentence for everyone. Well, we've just done our first house, which was Hell Block Horror. And I tell you what it is, that was the most jump scary one that we've been in so far. I know it's the first one we've been in tonight, but we were here the other night and done all the other houses. We're off to do Halloween, which we didn't do the other night. And yeah, that was the worst one. Well, best one. Depends how you look at it. And Ellie has got herself a little boo. Next up, Halloween. Come face to face with Michael Myers and go back to where it all began. Step into terrifying moments from 1978 horror classic film, Halloween. Fiesta de Chupacabras. Fiesta de Chupacabra. Visit a Latin American village where the legend of the chupacabras lives on, and the streets are lined with the blood of tourists like you. Or Dead Man's Pier, Winter's Wake. You're wondering, I'm actually reading off a map. Dead Man's Pier. In a New England fishing village, undead fishermen emerge from the waves to seek their revenge. They'll reel you in and drag you under. Thought we would go through the classic Halloween scare zone. I don't think he's in a very good place. So I'm not sure if you can hear me, but full disclosure, we paid for our Halloween Horror Night tickets tonight, but Universal kindly provided us with a gold pass, a special access pass to allow us to go through all the RIP entrances to the houses. Now, some of it I can't film back there. We've just seen the scare actors getting ready, wasn't allowed to film that. But it was a good experience. Uh-oh. Yeah. Anywho, a quick review of some of the houses we've done already. So the first house we went into was Hell Block Horror. And for me, so far, that has been the best house. We've done all the houses over the 2 nights that we've been here, and that one was the most frightening, had the most jump scares in it. After that, we went into Fiesta de Chupacabra, and for me, the least scariest house so far. Yeah, not many jump scares, in my opinion. I could have just had a bad run. I don't know. After that, we went to Dead Man's Pier, Winter Wake. Again, not the scariest of houses, but it was very well themed, and yeah, very immersive, that one. Then, of course, we went into Halloween, which I thought was the best themed one. There was a good mix of jump scares, and the theming in there was absolutely amazing. Highly recommend that one. We've decided to try and get some of the specialty food here at Halloween Horror Nights, and this one is the pepperoni pizza skull. It's a pepperoni and cheese stuffed skull served with a marinara dipping sauce. So it's basically a pepperoni pizza deconstructed. So the cheese and the pepperoni is inside of the bread, which is the skull, and then the marinara sauce is the pizza sauce. It's a bit tough to cut, apparently. Let's have a cross section.
Trying.
Oh yeah, so it's all cheesy and pepperoni. Look good. Nearly through.
There.
Get yourself a bite and let me see what it's like. Good? Or just okay?
Just okay.
Just okay.
It's tasty, but that bit, like...
The bread? The bread's quite tough?
Yeah.
Right.
Get that one.
See what Ellie thinks? What does Ellie think? It's all over your face. Good? It's good.
It wouldn't taste like pizza.
Just tastes like pizza. Okie dokie. Let me have a go. It's like a very cheesy pepperoni. But Emma's right. The skull is quite tough. But it just tastes like pizza. Next we've got the Tombstone Red Velvet Cake Pop. A red velvet cake pop coated in buttercream on a bed of Oreo cookie crumbs and white chocolate bones. Oreos?
Oreo.
Give me a cross section.
Give me a bit of hot stick.
Come on. Here we go.
Right.
Dr. Emma is in the house. Oh, it is soft, isn't it? I thought that was going to be hard. Oh yeah, red velvet. Yeah, I'm just going to dive straight in. That's good. That's good. You need to have the Oreos on it though. With the Oreo cookie crumb, that makes it. Nice? It's very nice. I like it a lot. What do you think, Ida?
That's nice.
You think it's nice?
Yeah.
Good, good, good.
Do you want a hand, Daddy? Literally.
Just white chocolate?
Daddy, want a hand?
White chocolate? Projection, and here we have some projections on the clock tower. 31 representing Halloween Horror Nights 31. And we've entered Diagon Alley. Going to see if Gringotts is open. Not sure if it is or not, but it'd be cool if it is. You would never think Halloween Horror Nights was going on right now when you come into Diagon Alley. Diagon Alley. I keep saying it wrong. Well, we've just rode Gringotts, and if anybody's my size or bigger, those seats are tight. Like, tight.
I think it's because they've got a slight thing in the front of the legs too.
Yep, it's the V in the legs. Tight. So they're tight around the legs, not really the waist. Well, if you're any bigger than me, it would be tight around the waist, but it was my legs. It made my feet tingle. It was cutting the blood supply off. We're about to leave Diagon Alley and enter Halloween Horror Nights once again. Entering through the wall to London. Next up we have Descendants of Destruction. This maze is described as deep in the subway below an abandoned, toxic New York City. Mutated humans fight to survive. But the deeper you go, the darker your fate. Fade to black. So that house was a very frightening one. And Emma managed to hit every single jump scare. It was, it all depends on what pattern you are in the line. It's weird because people can get frightened in front of you, people can get frightened behind you, and you could miss them all. This time, Emma hit every single jump scare. It was awesome. Moe's Tavern of The Simpsons. Krusty Burger. Milkshake. It's 100% mammal milk. Doesn't say which mammal. Moe's Tavern. It's good to see Moe's had some plastic surgery. Looking good. And back to the horror. The wonderful sound of chainsaws. Unfortunately, you won't be seeing much, but we are going through Central Park, where the Scarecrow Scare Zone is. That was a tongue twister. So our last house of the evening is Monsters Legends Collide. You're about to get caught in the middle of an epic battle between the Wolfman, Dracula and the Mummy, together for the first time ever. I'm not sure if you can hear me over the top of all this music, but that was our final house of Halloween Horror Nights 2022, HHN 31. So we're going to head out to the park now. So that being said, we shall see you all tomorrow. And now it's time to do your job. Ooh, and Ellie got all the jump scares and Dracula won the fight.